of our Pashto numbers. So last time we left off at 20 and now we're starting from 21 all the way to 40. So repeat after me. Yuish 21, Duish 22, Durwish 23, Talurwish 24, Pinzuish 25, Spurwish 26, Uwish 27, Atuish 28, Newish 29, Dish 30, Yodish 31, Dudish 32, Drudish 33, Tulurdish 34, Pinzadish 35, Spurdish 36, Uwadish 37, Atadish 38, Nadish 39, Tulrish 40. So now I will repeat the numbers in Pashto. So repeat after me. Yuwisht, Duwisht, Dirwisht, Talurwisht, Pinduwisht, Spurwisht, Ubuwisht, Atuwisht, Nuwisht, Dish, Yodish, Dudish, Drudish, Talurdish, Pinzadish, Spurdish, Uwadish, Atadish, Nadish, Talrisht. So make sure you guys practice on these a lot and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!